PALSU, once again, APESU graduates has proven the university's commitment to excellence by securing a top spot in the board exams.
Oh, another top-notcher. I bet their family's rich. That's why they made it.
Oh, ang galing naman nila. Susunod, magiging ganyan din ako.
Ma'am, diretso lang po kayo pagganan niyo po. Diretso lang. Makita niyo na po yung notes.
Okay po, thank you po.
Magandang umaga po. Natanong ko lang po kayo kung nasan po yung city po. Sir, diretso lang po kayo. Tapos kanan, diretso lang po. Tapos ng city. Maraming salamat po.
Elijah Suya,
Mama ko po.
proceed na sa loob. Isabela Sipadala, mama ko po. Proceed ka na rin sa loob.
Good morning, everyone. And now I will distribute this. And don't start without my permission. Okay? So that's all. So ayan, just wait for the result and always check your email account for any updates.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Exam lang naman to. I don't have to worry about kung papasa ba ako or hindi.
Nag-review naman ako ng maayos. Sana makapasa ako sa exam na to.
CTE aligns itself with the Sustainable Development Goals, ensuring future educators are equipped with knowledge and purpose. This is composed of 17 Sustainable Development Goals, and first we have is No Poverty.
No poverty. Pagbawas ng kahirapan sa pamamagitan ng paglikha ng mga oportunidad sa trabaho, pagpapaunlad ng edukasyon at kalusugan, at pagbibigay ng social safety nets.
Zero Hunger.
Zero hunger. Pagtiyak ng akses sa sapat at masustansyang pagkain para sa lahat. Ito ay maaaring makamit sa pamamagitan ng pagpapabuti ng agricultural practices, pagsuporta sa mga magsasaka, at pagbabawas ng food waste.
Good Health and Well-Being.
Good health and well-being. Pagpapabuti ng kalusugan at kagalingan ng lahat sa lahat ng edad. Ito ay maaaring makamit sa pamamagitan ng pagpapaunlad ng healthcare system, pagprotekta sa kalusugan at kapaligiran, at pagpapalaganap ng healthy lifestyle.
quality education,
pagtiyak ng inclusive at equitable quality education at pagsuporta sa lifelong learning opportunities para sa lahat. Ito ay maaaring makamit sa pamamagitan ng pagpapabuti ng educational infrastructure, pagsasanay ng mga guro, at paggawa ng educational accessible sa lahat.
gender equality.
Gender equality. Pagtaguyod ng gender equality at empowerment ng lahat ng kababaihan at babae. Ito ay maaaring makamit sa pamamagitan ng paglaban sa gender-based violence, pagtataguyod ng women's right, at pagbigay ng pantay na oportunidad sa edukasyon at trabaho.
Clean water,
and sanitation. Pagtiyak ng availability at sustainability management ng water sanitation para sa lahat. Ito ay maaaring makamit sa pamamagitan ng pagpapabuti ng water infrastructure, pagprotekta sa water resources, at pagpapalaganap ng hygiene practices.
affordable and clean energy.
Pagtiyak ng access sa affordable, reliable, sustainable, and modern energy para sa lahat. Ito ay maaaring makamit sa pamamagitan ng pagpapalawak ng renewable energy sources, pagpapabuti ng energy efficiency, at pagbabawas ng carbon emissions.
Decent work and economic growth,
Pagsusulong ng sustained, inclusive, and sustainable economic growth, full and productive employment, and decent work for all. Ito ay maaaring makamit sa pamamagitan ng paglikha ng mga trabaho, pagpapaunlad sa kasanayan ng mga manggagawa, at pagtataguyod ng fair labor practices.
industry, innovation and infrastructure,
Pagbuo ng resilient infrastructure, pagsusulong ng inclusive and sustainable industrialization, at pagpapalakas ng innovation. Ito ay maaaring makamit sa pamamagitan ng pagpapabuti ng infrastructure, pagsuporta sa mga negosyo, at pagpapalaganap ng technological advancement.
reduce inequalities. Pagbawas ng inequalities sa loob ng at sa pagitan ng mga bansa. Ito ay maaaring makamit sa pamamagitan ng pagpapalaganap ng social justice, pagbibigay ng pantay na oportunidad, at pagprotekta sa mga vulnerable groups. Sustainable cities and communities.
Paggawa ng mga lungsod at komunidad na inclusive, safe, resilient, and sustainable. Ito ay maaaring makamit sa pamamagitan ng pagpapaunlad ng urban planning, pagprotekta sa kapaligiran, at pagbibigay ng access sa essential services.
Responsible consumption and production.
Pagtiyak ng sustainable consumption and production patterns. Ito ay maaaring makamit sa pamamagitan ng pagbabawas ng waste, paggamit ng sustainable materials, at pagpapalaganap ng responsible consumption habits.
Climate action. Pagtugon sa climate change at ang mga epekto nito. Ito ay maaaring makamit sa pamamagitan ng pagbabawas ng greenhouse gas emissions, pag-adapt sa climate change, at pagprotekta sa biodiversity. Life below water.
Life below water. Pagprotekta, pagpapanatili, at sustainable use ng mga karagatan, dagat, at marine resources para sa sustainable development. Ito ay maaaring makamit sa pamamagitan ng pagbabawas ng polusyon, pagprotekta sa marine ecosystem, at sustainable fishing practices.
Life on land.
Life on land. Pagprotekta, pagpapanatili, at sustainable use ng terrestrial ecosystems, sustainable management of forests, combating desertification, and halting and reserving land degradation, and halting biodiversity loss. Ito ay maaaring makamit sa pamamagitan ng sustainable forest management, conservation efforts, and combating deforestation.
Peace, justice in a strong institution.
Peace, justice in strong institutions. Pagsusulong ng peaceful and inclusive societies for sustainable development. Providing access to justice for all, and building effective, accountable, and inclusive institutions at all levels.
Partnership for the goals.
Partnerships for the goals. Pagpapalakas ng global partnerships for sustainable development. Ito ay maaaring makamit sa pamamagitan ng pagtutulungan ng mga bansa, organisasyon, at individual para makamit ang SDGs.
Pinning ceremony for BPAD students. Narciso Jake Edward Lee.
Have you ever seen such a beautiful night? I could almost kiss the stars for shining so bright. When I
Desena
see you
Chaperone J.
smiling, I go, oh, oh, oh. I would never wanna miss this, 'cause in my heart I know what this is. Hey now,
Urbano
this is
Kailame
what
S.
dreams are made of. Hey now, this is what dreams are made of. I've got somewhere I belong.
Damayo
I've
Bernita
got
Y.
somebody to love. This is what dreams are made of. Have you ever wondered what life is
Labutoy
about?
Jinky B.
You can search the world and never figure it out. You don't have to sail the oceans. No, no, no.
Si Magala Isabella A.
Happiness is no mystery. It's here and now. It's you and me, yeah. Hey now, this is what dreams are made of. Hey now, this is what dreams are made of. I've got somewhere I belong. I've got
Apasible John Patrick
this
F.
is what dreams dreams are made of.
Suyat Elijah Lee.
Have you ever seen such a beautiful night? I could almost kiss the stars for shining so bright. When I see you smiling, I go, oh, oh, oh. I would never.
So now, your lab examination will be on Monday. So now, we will discuss your preparation or our preparation.
Di na ako babalik.
6 months later.
Good day, PASU. Here's the latest update for today. The result of licensure examinations for professional teachers are out, and 2 students from Palawan State University College of Teachers Education have emerged as top-notchers. Elijah Suyat secured the second spot with an average score 92.1%, while Isabella Simagala secured the third spot with an average score 91.2%.